Kunin ko lang. Sino ba? Ah. Ganda, oh. So that one the monitor.
Meron pa yung visual minsan.
This one is automatically indication or not make for the reflection.
Kaya pala gusto mo
You
na.
see, when you make it close, it automatic will decrease the distance.
Okay.
Malinaw yan, bago.
Hindi daw na, oh, hindi na. Magkamali pa ng diagnosis na yun. Hindi ko na alam.
May langis pa ulit, wala.
Air water valve
Uh-huh.
and the suction valve.
Okay.
For blue, the air water. Yeah.
Yeah.
We have two kind of for using this button. You see, there is a small hole here.
Yeah.
If you just close it by finger, not push, without push, just close, air will come.
Ah, okay.
If I push,
Water.
the water will come.
Ah, okay.
Okay. See?
So air and water both.
Yeah. This is for suction, but I have to connect the suction here.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. We can connect.
If you connect it, just
We can connect.
when you press here, will
Here, I just kept outside the section.
if you have house, no problem.
Yeah, that's all.
This is for the light
Okay.
on off. This is for the old the system. If you are not used, if you use if you have another processor, just hold the press for here. Now stand by. You can remove this one. You cannot remove the scope when the system is active.
Oh, okay.
You should turn off.
So it
You
will
should turn it off or
both?
stand by.
It's both
Yes, both.
pins.
Yes.
Okay.
If you want to switch, you can switch from here both. Yeah.
Uh-huh. So when we are working, it should both on.
Yes. This is the light source. This is the video processor.
Yeah, the camera.
It's both compatible together with interface cable.
Okay.
Okay. This is for the one. 3 level, low, medium, high.
Okay.
Off.
It will adjust from here. From
Yeah.
here off.
This is high, medium, low. One more off.
Okay. This one is light, and it will adjust auto.
Yes.
It will adjust auto, right?
No, you cannot because the system is standby now.
Okay.
You cannot see any here. It will work, yeah, but you cannot see any
But when we
light.
will on from here, then it will
Yeah.
work only, right?
Yeah, just hold.
Mhm.
Hold in the exam.
Okay.
No.
Hold,
It's
hold.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay. For standby, hold. Hold in exam.
Until the orange.
Now you can remove the scope and put another scope. خلاص end of the day خلاص switch it on both. No problem.
So okay now? Understand?
Repeat. Because I'm not
Yeah.
in the beginning.
This is
Just
not
repeat
official training yani.
Okay.
Mm.
Then
They
just
will come
yeah,
first, huh?
yeah,
They will
yeah.
come again.
But at
Yeah,
least you know at least
Yeah.
Sunday
you have-
Mr. Fadi will come
Yeah.
Next week.
next
Yeah.
week he will come to show everything yeah. Even the
Just only the basic operation, how to
Basic
turn on,
Yeah.
how to turn off, how to turn on the lamp, the pump, and
So this is the power button, sir. So I'm
Now
starting
stand
with
by.
Yeah, okay.
this is the button for the water tank.
bottle.
Button, yes. It's easy yani, to connect yani. Just to see to paint.
There's a guide.
Yes.
Secure connect.
When you push, then rotate.
Mm.
For remove, rotate,
Rotate.
hold. See?
Clockwise.
Mm.
It's easy.
Clockwise for closing,
Yes.
for removing counter.
And if we will connect the irrigation, so it will be here.
No.
Where we will connect?
Let's ask for the irrigation. Maybe this scope not fit for the irrigation.
Okay,
But
manual
this
only.
here you have the
So
working
manual
channel.
only.
Working channel here. This is the
So
working
we
channel.
have to manually push only. We need to wash.
Sir?
Actually, iba ito. Okay. You'll ask this question from
Yeah,
him.
for Friday, yes, for
Okay.
the disinfection. This is for the leak test. I will show
Ah,
you how
this is for
this
the
is for
leak
the leak
test.
test.
Okay.
This is for the suction. This is for the
Suction.
robotic. Maybe this one for the irrigation. I'm not sure. Yani.
Ah, okay.
But
Yeah,
that's
maybe
correct.
this is the one for the
Maybe, yes.
irrigation. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the one.
Yes.
Okay.
Because some scopes coming here and up
Yeah. Okay.
above the scope.
Maybe this is the one.
Now the
Plus
system
the
standby.
Mhm.
See, standby or off. I can remove the scope.
Mhm.
You cannot remove the scope or connect it when the
Maintenance
system
one.
is switched on.
No.
The same. A different connector by.
Selection is different, no, no, no.
So before you remove the scope, you should turn on the system
Turn off.
It
But
will-
easy
yeah.
to guide it.
because there is so many. There
There
is
is one port.
connection.
Yes.
No more this our old
Yeah.
one is this one. Now the new one is this one only.
Okay.
The connection of the power is here only. The camera, everything.
Okay.
That's why you cannot remove.
But it will on both, then it will work only, so?
Yeah, once you insert the camera,
Switch it on.
Okay.
and then switch it on.
Or should it be both?
Both.
Yeah, turn off should be.
Two of them.
Twins.
But the power button will not be damaged later on?
Yeah.
If it-
No.
No?
Even if you are turn off this one only standby, you can remove.
Standby can remove.
Standby can remove.
Because all the time power on, power off also problem.
This is for what?
Pop, I don't know this one. This is new.
It's connected in DVI.
Yeah, it's the BI.
So this keypad is connected also?
Yes.
It will
So
be,
for
He will
input the
show you
patient.
how to use it, how to edit the patient, edit the doctor, edit the case.
Yes.
It's easy and it's not.
So wala sa monitor. Basta ano, scope talaga.
It's not capturing the image.
What about the recording? It's connected also? And picture?
There's a 4 picture in one film.
Check in change the input for this one. You should change to DB what do you call this one? This is video.
We are not touching there for
Need
us.
to write? It's okay. We can write.
The input
For-
check up.
Just bring the
For us, we are
communication
not
book.
touching this.
Rita, the communication book लेके.
It was in the component. Yeah, that one. It's video. No.
Doctors catching
Yeah.
from the
The same print.
from scope always. They are not coming here. Doctor always capture from scope.
Ito na yung pinaka-latest nila Kuya Ron. Ano?
Meron pa.
Meron pa, di ba yung mas maliit?
Kaya malinaw yan dahil ano, this is LED. LED this light.
Pero mas maliit na version nito, yun yung pinaka-latest nila, no?
Hindi ko pa nakita yung malit eh.
Ayun, but not this one. This is bigger. And the scope also looks different from
Okay, so
what
picture-
they're using.
It's okay means pictures is connected also.
No,
The
no,
picture,
no, we have to what it.
picture will work also.
They will use again once they will take the machine.
There's a password also. This one complicated than others.
Complicated, ba?
And the context.
Yeah. Too much number, ba? Too much.
Yeah, context is easy. Nothing need to do. No need to do anything.
Just stay near the keyboard. Many things are there. They came to take this code or no?
Finish. I'm taking video is done.
No, not yet done.
Let me So F1, hero.
No problem, you can try يعني. Until Friday comes Sunday you can try and it's easy يعني. See patient, doctor, case,
Oh,
note يعني. If you press like patient,
So F2 patient.
F2. Okay.
it's already mentioned يعني.
It's hidden here.
It's already mentioned in the keyboard يعني.
Yeah, same.
Nah,
So same
patient.
with all
If,
one.
if you want to add patient, if you want to add doctor, it's already there in the keyboard.
You see, here if you want to insert, you have to press edit. See, insert. Now you can add all the information and registration. خلاص.
And then enter.
Yes. It will be added in. For example.
Just type the patient ID and patient name, then and registration.
Yes, we'll add it.
It will add there.
Same way.
If you delete, خلاص, no problem. Just press delete. We'll ask you to be sure. Yes.
Okay. While this
It's very easy.
for recording.
Recording, I'll try now. I'll just check.
Okay. A picture we will take from the scope.
No.
No.
Manual.
Manual. I will try to bring this adapter.
Yeah,
Remote.
because there is no remote connected.
Yeah.
So you should connect the remote
If remote, you can bring from the scope.
scope.
Okay. But if no, then we have to
Manually print.
Manual, yeah.
Manually.
Okay.
Capture,
What about
then?
capture.
Capture you can, I
You
think.
capture, you can. Yeah.
Capture we
Yeah,
can.
you can.
Okay. But we manually we have to.
Printing manually no, because
I'll
there
try
is
with
not
the center with this connector.
connector, yeah.
He will show you where you can fit.
Mm.
Just to
That's BNC
connect the
connector.
remote only.
BNC,
After that, Friday, you know, any,
Yeah.
After
BNC
capture 4,
to jack connector.
yes.
Capture 5. Capture 4 times means count.
Try to capture the image with the display so you can see the printout.
There's printout already here.
No, this is not this.
He print.
There's no image only. We need the with image with
Yeah,
some
from
code
here.
from
Okay.
with light with clear
Ah.
with light.
So we'll try the other scope.
Ah, okay.
I tried another scope. There's how many scope this one? Two. Okay.
One dash to one color.
Just, no. It's already standby.
Already print.
Orange is standby. You can remove the scope.
Okay.
Do you handle this? This is the right way to handle it.
Mm.
This is the most important piece
Yes.
in the scope.
So one
this is
like
the
this.
distal end, this one.
Mm.
This cannot you handle like this and walk. This is most important thing. You just catch it like this, then you can do anything with this one. No problem. But this one you have to make it like this.
We cannot coil one like this.
It can be, it's not too much.
But not much. Yeah.
Because you will put all inside in the water.
Yeah, you gotta-
Where's the cap here? We can wash. Put the disinfector machine.
This one can all inside the water.
No need a
problem.
cap?
No need to.
There is a small cab here.
Where's the? No, I mean this here.
No.
No problem with water.
All.
Other one with cap. If water go inside, it will become dry.
Hello.
22, 23,
Yes.
9 o'clock.
Yes. I'm here in the endoscopy. Just wait. I'm busy.
This is the cleaning. They will show you how
Mhm.
to do this and what.
Maybe after finish this installation of the new top machine, I will come down. Maybe after 30 minutes. Okay.
Iba pa rin po. Iba to doon.
Gastro yan?
Gastro ko yan.
Oh, ito yung colon. Colonoscope.
Right for me. He said he had one patient. A relative.
No, it's not.
No, he's not.
It's not.
I mean, it's not.
He said he called up people in clinic.
Chad, this is the leak test.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
Before you make the leak test, to be sure, you have two kind of the leak test. One dry leak test
Yes.
and wet leak test. The first one, dry leak test. Dry, without any water. The wet will insert it all inside the water in the sink.
Mhm.
This is the wet leak test. For dry, I have to be sure this hose complete. Also the pin, there's no any water or liquid. It's completely dry. Then I can fit with the scope. You see here, this we have two pin here, and we have also two pin female here. We just push, then
Twist.
okay. This now fit with me. Yes. I will just increase pressure until this is the black gauge.
Yeah. This
It's
black.
20.
20.
Yes. You have to wait to 30 seconds,
20
1 minute.
PSI
If
or
not
TPA.
decrease, that's mean my scope there is no leak. It's okay. Everything is okay. If there is a leak, stop all processing. Don't put any liquid or water or washing. Just swab it from outside. Call the bayonet.
Okay.
You cannot use. It's very important
Mhm.
because if water coming inside, will affect the camera. Will affect
Yeah.
all the scope.
It will more damage.
More damage.
More
More,
damage.
more cost.
So before you use this one to connect
Before
to the,
use,
you should
after
dry
use, we have to make the leak test.
leak test first.
Before procedure for the doctor and after procedure of the doctor. That means okay. From if there is leak, we'll show you from 10 to 20 seconds. You will see the leak.
It will fill down.
Yeah, it will fill down. Sometimes it will become fast, sometimes slow. After 20 seconds, this is in the range. That means it's okay. You see?
Salam alaikum.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
سلام.
أهلا وسهلا.
أهلا وسهلا.
دكتور.
الله يخليك.
دكتور محمد الدسوقي.
والنعم. مهندس عبد الله من شركة الجيل.
أهلا وسهلا.
يا أهلا وسهلا دكتور.
بيكون رحمة.
Yun, mag-umpisa siya. Alam niyo man ang hindi mo dito.
No, it's okay.
Okay, switch it on.
Yeah, turn on.
No.
Double.
Now standby. Yes. Yes, that's right. If you don't want, you can also switch it off on. You need to use it. Screen.
Hmm?
The monitor is not.
Monitor is not good.
Yeah, it's not good quality.
Yeah, this is old monitor. So not HD, not Full HD. This is LCD monitor.
Yes. Kind of
So-
bright now.
Just capture and I will print. You can capture that image. Print. It is also available for connection for the LIS, our
LIS.
hospital system, HES, in our hospital
Because,
system.
yeah, I think it can be.
Can be. Because now all data is collecting now through our system.
I will show you give you the IT.
Mhm.
So once you keep for the IT guys,
Mhm.
you can take the ID address.
After we already decide that we will buy this new, that time we will connect to that.
Ito na yung sa
Yes.
kanila.
But
Ganyan siya.
I'm just only confirm if this one is available or not. Yeah, available.
Matigas.
They're using Ethernet cable, right?
Yeah.
It's in-
Network.
Yeah.
Network.
Yun yung parang yung gusto namin speed, gusto namin medyo
So, not this one.
Depende sa paggalan niya.
depende kung gusto ng
Not
masyadong
not that one.
masyadong flexible, katamtaman. Yung gastro kasi wala.
Galing naman sa ano. Kasi di ba po naman most of it.
Oo. Tsaka ito hindi hindi siya gaano dahil siguro sa monitor natin,
Hindi na.
hindi siya gaano clear. Hindi ko talaga clear. Siguro.
Kasi
We can print also the live.
parang dun sa
Oo.
kasi nga.
Pero mas
This,
talaga
capture
kung
natin.
set sila.
Capture.
Kaya.
Yung recording ang wala na.
Pati yung ano natin, COVID irrigation. Pero ito kami kasi
Ito siguro.
Other monitor we can connect.
Hmm?
Other monitor.
For this one. Yeah, there is. I think there is. I don't know if there is available out.
Let's see the connection.
Yeah, there is DBI out also. You can connect
You can take from the monitor or the processor.
the video out
Video.
for the separate
But
monitor.
better take from the processor. For the it's coming Google the quality.
Mhm. Yes.
Plug, and we have to connect them.
This is the first one.
So meaning you will capture there.
Mm.
So capture and printing will be
Yeah,
here.
capture.
Capture and printing only there in the monitor.
4 and 1.
Because I think we still did not connected the remote, so I think we cannot capture here. You can select single,
Yes, 4 and 1, right?
Yeah.
4 in 1.
Capture.
The
See
same to
here?
connect, sir?
Mm-hmm.
Capture 1.
Yeah.
Because I make capture for 1, he will take only this one.
Mm.
He take the old thing. That's if you capture 1, 2, 3, 4,
Four.
we'll take the 4
For image.
And then print.
Then print.
Yeah.
To take one like this.
But until Sunday, يعني إن شاء الله
But
Friday.
it's difficult, you don't
Yeah.
want this one, then sit and stand,
Yeah.
it's difficult.
No problem. I will try to send with him this audio jack.
Yeah.
It's easy. You can press from here only,
Yeah.
just one. You see?
Mhm.
Now it's already 4.
So both option, capture and
Yeah.
print.
Double click. 1 capture, 1 for the
Yeah.
take image. Now 6,
So if
7.
one, yeah.
8 will be automatic print.
Yeah.
Okay.
4 and
This
1.
connection we can connect
can
now.
try,
This
sir.
one.
You can try. No problem.
I will hold this one.
Just wait.
Just turn standby.
One. Okay. Stand by.
Now it's connected.
Oo. Kahit linya ng ano dito.
Hindi pa maganda monitor niyan.
Oo nga. Kasi
Kung-
yung set niya talaga, kuya, mas maliwanag.
Kung full HD yung monitor niyan, malinaw pa. Malinaw yan. Kahit pinakamaliit na makikita niya.
If you have any bronchoscopy, that side,
Okay na yan. Watch okay.
So you don't know where this is different for that.
Yeah. Also there is good. Because the doctor say there, not this one here.
Carefully, it can be something.
So, Pintak, Fujifilm. So still you cannot use it this time? Or you will use?
sorry, bedside now.
Picture
This
is
is
okay.
the problem.
Okay, right?
Mm.
How about the recording?
Recording they will connect. Ito yun.
Picture we have to manual, capture, capture and then manual.
For now,
For now, inshallah, it's not good.
Para ma-
Take it, bye.